You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English, pronounced as stalk. That's your British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK. The sound is more like an O sound, more like an O than an R. So it's not stark, stark. The L is silent, by the way. Stalk, all right? You could spell it S-T-O-W-K, stalk. Now, the American English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the US, is as stalk, all right? So it's a more open R sound, stalk, stalk. American English, British English pronunciation, stalk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.